Menteri Rang Bak Jela Conrad ke Sangma kharkhnai trik yong ulong basisien bak jingtei penbahai ke Madan Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Apollo Shillong keladem kan salong kawai bani Ryngkat Kyrdan berkiwe pat ki Madan ilakai hakari barkan salak ban penlong ki jing ilakai ki banah kari bat kumjuru ki banabar Sangma bedang lek jurep ke Madan bantai penbah bat pentemai ke Madan JN Sports Complex ke Indoor Stadium bak Madan First Ground Apollo ulong bak Madan ilakai football JN Stadium kan sedang niu pelang bersisa Ryngkat ki jaka songri dan penbiang ya ke jaka song ki breu.
We expect maybe close to about 30,000 capacity to be there in this field, and the entire arrangements and the way the work is going on, we are going to meet the FIFA standards, and hence this particular stadium and field, the football field especially, will be at par to host any international games in the future.
Susu ulang bakan stadium kandannya baru ki jing dan kam na bentai jing lekai bakin sebut din ya ke jinglong jing man jokan ni khnang man pentikina bekila ban kot kat kum jing thmu.
So we expect that this particular stadium should be completed within this calendar year. We're expecting that by November end and December first week that we should be able to complete and inaugurate this particular stadium completely renovated. So we are very excited, and once this is complete, as I mentioned, we expect that we should be able to host a large number of events and even international events in the future.